We're playing with Ape King VR. Animal Company.
Hi.
Hand it over. Stop! No! Hey. So I've never really played this game. My stick. Here. But Ape has. He's made a video on this game. So, yeah.
Cheese.
Yeah. Cheese.
Be contaminated by the cheese.
Oh, heck no. My stick, I flung it. Bro, this stick is being flung around. So,
Alright, so
Ape,
you want to do something scary?
I want to cry.
You want to try?
Yes, dog.
Viewers, look at me. Look at me, viewers. Viewer discretion advised. This game could get very intense. If you have arachnophobia, do not watch this video. Blinded.
So guys, if you do have don't watch this video if you're easily scared, because this game, Animal Company, is a horror game, kind of, right, Ape King? Is it kind of like a horror game? So
Yup.
you might want to see it. You can just tell by so we warned you if you get scared. Okay.
Alright, follow me.
Oh, where are you going?
I said follow me.
I've gotten really bad at this. I've never really played this.
Hey, let me teach you how to move. You walk with your arms.
Well, I know how to do it technically, just I'm not very good
and then
at it.
Jumping, you just Oops, sorry. Alright. By the way, touch one of these.
Okay. Wait. Why does it say do not? I'm not gonna touch it. You touch it first.
No. I already have the achievement. There's an achievement you get.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So you're telling me if I touch this, I'll get an achievement?
Yeah, you'll get an achievement.
Wait.
Hi, buddy. Here. Come here.
Ape! You're cooked. Where are you? I'm gone. Wait, let's go do something scary. We warned the viewers that we were going to do something scary. And now we're not doing the scary thing. I'm coming back to the minefield. Ape, we got to do something scary.
Breaker.
Twerking, that'll be enough. Oh my god! I'm gonna cut that. Editor, cut that out. Okay. Let's. Oh, back up, dog.
Are you saying that like dog, like your G, or like because I'm a dog?
I don't think it's good to look at it either way. Ah!
Okay, do not respawn. Do not respawn. Okay.
I couldn't choose. It just. I'm losing my patience. Alright. I'm going another way. I'm going the faster way. Oh! Ape, look up! Did you see me? I played a Superman and went all the way up there.
Can you hear me over the watch breaker? Breaker?
Bonk. Yes, I can. Come on.
He's nuts.
What? Okay.
Alright, come on.
Wait. Oh, okay. We're good. Wait for me.
Hi, buddy.
Okay, wait. One more warning.
I
I think this could be scary.
He screams loud.
Also, noise warning. If you're wearing headphones.
Breaker, camera. Can you please hear me? Very loud. Oh shoot.
No, the dog. Okay, come back down. Let's go do
my
something.
troll.
Let's go do something
Yeah,
dumb.
so, Breaker, I just saw the ogre. Breaker? I'm behind the rock, Breaker.
Come back down, Ape. I can't reach you. Oh,
Hi.
hi. Come on.
Breaker, over
I feel
here.
like he's gonna kill me in the end. Oh! Oh, that looks like you, Abe. Bro, he sat on me. I died. Ape? I died. Yeah. Ape. Where are you? I'm gonna go back to the troll. Ape, where are you? Ape, you good? I'm going to find him. I don't know if he got offensive. I called him the troll. Ape. Ape!
Did you seriously die on me?
Ape.
Come here.
Wait, meet me back at the tree. Meet me back where you pick your weapons. Okay? Meet me back there. Trust. Should we do 2 sticks or 1 ape? Okay. I see how it is. Ape. Should I do 2 sticks or 1? Or none?
1 stick.
You think I should do 1 stick?
Yes.
Alright, I'm choosing where we go. I want to go down there. Yes, we're going. Come on.
Never again.
Fine. We're going down there, though. Rather if you like it or not,
This
Abe.
way? This way? Oh,
Come on.
he's cooked.
You can come or you can't
Breaker,
come.
you are cooked.
You're either gonna come or you're not gonna come. What are you picking?
Breathing.
Okay. You're leading.
That's what she said.
Excuse me.
Alright, by the way, just,
Oh, that looks like you.
you really want... Do you want me to reveal your face? I will put it up right there. Right there.
Come on, you stinky old man. Hey, I feel like you're gonna kill me.
I can't even kill you.
Come on.
Bye, have a good time. I'm free. Breaker, I'm free.
Bye-bye. Guys, R.I.P. Ape. He's cooked.
Anything. Oh.
You're alive?
Yeah, I'm fine. Wait, is this my arm? Oh my god, that's my arm. Yo, look at that.
My arm's pink. Can we move up, please?
You just gotta... Our elevators work if you press it with your finger.
Oh. Can I hold the flashlight, please?
Nah.
Come on. Can I beat the
Oh.
monster with a stick?
No. No, you cannot. Loud noise warning, everyone. Loud noise warning if we go down the wrong path.
Exit?
Can't remember which way to go. Because I want to go down the path that isn't scary. Why don't we just go back?
Nope. We're going down this way. Ape!
R.I.P. to...
Come. Fine. Which way you can pick? Come on.
So what do I call you? Because you call me Ape. What do I call you?
Call me Game Master Judah.
What about Judah? Is that just better?
Okay, pick which
Okay,
way.
wait, let me talk to the camera.
Yes, of course.
Face reveal. Shoot, sorry. Face reveal. Sorry. Face reveal at 10,000 subscribers. Yeah.
Would you like to see Monkey King's face?
I'm Ape King.
I know,
it's just
but
a
you're
typo.
back. All right, we're going
It's
this
a
way.
typo.
But make sure to like this video for Ape, or he
Ow.
will show, or I will show up under your bed.
What
I
did you say?
know that sounds very concerning. What happened to my stick? Okay.
I don't
better
wanna
be
here
careful.
No more.
Ape,
Where?
what if you lose all your what if your next video doesn't get any subscribers?
No. Not this way. Not this way. Not this way.
Me and you both like slammed our...
It's very loud. Okay, that's the only reason.
Alright,
I
other
don't
way.
go that It's
Why
super
is there
loud.
blood there? You know what? I'm not even gonna ask.
Because you hit me. You
Oh,
abused me.
Oh.
Guys, at 10,000 subscribers, I will actually be let out of Game Master Judah's basement.
Hey. Share.
Watch out for the AI.
I just died. You know what, guys? We're ending the video. Ape King, would you like any last words? Yeah, guys, I think he's depressed, but we're ending the video. Because, yeah, we're just ending the video. In the upcoming video, if this gets 25 likes, we're doing Scary Baboon. So,